Hi guys, I've got a box full of fidgets. So I'm going to show you what I have and then post it on YouTube. So I have got, the first one is this. And I'll show you what it looks like inside. So it looks like this. It's nice and purple. When you squeeze it, it's green. Tell me in the comments if you can see the colour. So you got that one, which is a nice ball. And then I've got a heart puppet. This was £10 in Claire's in Poole. And then I've got this one again. It's kind of like this one. This was £10 in Claire's as well. So you got that one. Then you got this like octopus one. And it lights up. Don't know if you can see that on camera. Comment down below if you can. And then I have this one, which you pop it and then you just go like that. I got a unicorn. Pop it. I got a cake puppet. I got a presents puppet. I've got all these. I got a crown one. I've got all these. I've got this one. I've got some puppets on a key ring. I've got another puppet. I've got this one, which I love. It just goes like that. Very noisy. Then I've got this. Like, don't know what it's called, but I like it. I got a small puppet with a key ring. I got a caterpillar one that makes that noise. I've got another ball. Don't know if I can do it. That lights up. I've got another ball, but it squeezes and it's got a couple of little balls inside. I've got one of these. Don't know what this is, but I like the feel of it. That's a puppet as well. And then I've got that. I've got another key ring. Another key ring, but it broke. Another key ring, but it broke. I got this. I got this, you squeeze it. I've got a dice that glows up. And dice. Oh, there you go. I've got another caterpillar, but it's smaller. I've got another tangle, that's what they're called. I've got a Rubik's Cube. Another keyring puppet. I've got one of these. I've got two of them actually. I've got two balls. I've got this. And then I've got all of that. So if you like my videos, please comment down below. Use thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And enjoy the videos I upload. Thank you for watching.